What's up everyone, welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you very much. Let's get into this video now. If we go back to one of my past videos, fixing the clunk, I forget what it was titled. Maybe I hate this truck less. I'll tag it up in the top corner. I fixed the bushings on the upper control arms. They're not making any noises right now, but in the process of doing that, I think I messed up my ABS sensor. So I'm going to put this clip right here. Oh, God damn it. That's not what you want to do. As you see, my little ABS sensor was dangling when the caliper fell. I think it smashed it and messed it up. I'm not completely sure, but let me show you the lights I have on the dashboard, and then we'll talk about the sensors. Service ESC. Then hit the little check mark and trailer brake system. You see we have ABS, traction control, and that guy. Those are the lights we have on the dash. Let's see if we can fix this. Now when I did the first test drive after changing the bushings, I had all those lights and I was kind of upset, but I'm excited that the bushings are no longer clunking, so that's a plus. I actually came back home, sprayed the sensor down with some contact cleaner because there was a little bit of grease on it. Thought that might be it. Didn't fix the problem, so came back home, ordered some sensors. I was actually less upset when I found out the price of the sensors because they were only $15 a piece. Wound up getting driver's side and passenger side because they were so cheap, and now they're here. So these are your sensors. See, that's your part number, that's your driver's side. There's your part number for the driver's side. There's your part number for the passenger side. You see here, this is AC Delco, and this one actually says genuine parts. They're the same brand. Get the AC Delco if you see them. It's the same ones. It's the OE ones. So I'm gonna link these down below with some Amazon links. If I could find both of them on Amazon. I definitely found the passenger side one on Amazon. I'm gonna link that down below. If you had this problem and you need the ABS sensor, please use my link down below. Helps me out, helps the channel out a little bit, so we can continue making awesome videos. I'm actually gonna try to do this without taking the wheels off the truck. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult to do it that way. It's a lot easier with the wheels off because you have more space to deal with, but I'm gonna try to do this quick. I need to actually find where the clip is, where the actual plug is. I might be behind the fender liner, and I don't feel like taking that off, so I'm just gonna go do one side, and then I'll show you guys how to do the other side. It's pretty simple stuff though. One thing I forgot to mention, I did not get the code scanned on this truck, so I don't know what the actual code is, but the day I got it, the only thing that could have happened electrically was the ABS sensor, so I just kind of assumed and went with my gut feeling that it was the ABS sensor, so that's why we're changing those. But you can go to like a place like AutoZone and Pep Boys and stuff like that, and they do have code scanners. They could scan it for you, tell you what the code is, and you could look that up. Let's get back into this. Alright, so the driver's side was a lot simpler than I thought. The plug is right behind the little fender liner thing, so you just got to bend it back a little bit. But I'll show you what needs to be done, because it's a little tight in there. I'll show you the tools you need, and then we'll see if it fixed it. So looking in here, I need some light. Alright, so this is the front side. Right there, that plug right there is your ABS sensor. That is a T30 Torx bit. You follow that wire up, you're going to have a nut there that is a 10 millimeter. So you just need a little, I would say a little ratchet with a T30 Torx bit, a ratchet with a 10 millimeter, then maybe some pliers. Let me show you the rest. So now we're at the top side. This wire right there is your sensor, so you have a clip there, dead center of your screen. It goes up there, there's a clip there, and then, let's see if we can do this. You have another clip there, and then your clip for the sensor is right there. That little red thing right there, you actually have to slide that out away from the plug, and then you could depress it to unplug. There's also a clip on the bottom of that plug. I'll show you on the new one. All right, this is your new sensor, so this is what's in your little, it's not going to lay straight. So this is what's in your knuckle with the T30 Torx bit. Then it runs up, that's your 10 millimeter in the back of the knuckle. Then if you just keep following it, you have a clip there, a clip there, a clip there, and then this is going to press into the frame rail after you connect that plug. Pretty damn simple. So as you see, I'm not taking the wheels off to do this. I'll time lapse it so you can see, but it's really not that difficult. The hardest part is probably just removing clips from the frame rails. But as long as you have like needle nose pliers, you just pry them out. It doesn't matter if they break because they come with new ones on the new sensor. That whole clip was 5 minutes long. As I was saying earlier, the hardest part of that is removing the clips. I actually broke one of them, but like I said, it comes with new clips, so you don't really have to worry if you break them or not, because you got new ones. Now, it's my understanding with at least this truck that the ABS system does like its own reset every single time you turn the truck on, so let's turn it on and see if we're good. I don't think we need to reset the ECU. Wish us luck here. Yeah, I know, I gotta fix those wires still. What do we got? Nice. We good. Happy about that. So, that was a little quick tutorial on how to change your ABS sensors if you mess them up like me, because I am a dumbass. As you see, you don't really need a lot of tools. You needed 3 tools. I mean, I guess 4 if you count the ratchet, but 10mm socket, a T30 Torx bit, a ratchet, and needle nose pliers is all you needed to change this. I believe the shipping was the same price as the sensors. I guess if you're gonna buy them, just buy both. I don't know. It wasn't a costly fix, which I'm very happy about. Damn lights are gone. Awesome. With all that being said, if that's what you thought the problem was, you turn your truck back on and your lights are still there, you have more problems. So go make sure you get it scanned. Some people have their own scan tool. Like I was saying earlier, you could go to Pep Boys, AutoZone, and places like that, and they'll scan it for you, get what code it is, so then you could actually narrow it down to what the problem is. For me, was the ABS sensor. Pretty simple fix. This whole process maybe took a half hour, and that was with me filming it. So, awesome. I will see you guys on the next one. We post videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below for me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.